Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to add music to Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application. And once you are inside the Facebook, click on that three lines or three dots which is located at the top right corner. Now click on settings and from the audience and visibility section, click on profile details. Now all the way down until you see music option. Now click on add music option. Now from here you can add any music you like or any music you want to be appeared on your profile. Now for instance, I'm choosing this music. I've selected it. Once I have selected it, I'll refresh it for a moment. And as you can see, it has already been appeared in my profile or it has already been added to my list. So yes guys, this is how easily you can add music to Facebook. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.